Hello, my name is Daniel. I'm making a video for National Precinct Alliance, nationalprecinctalliance.com. It's an organization that recruits and teaches people how to fill out petitions at the Board of Elections, for the Board of Elections, that's the main focus, is education of the general populace. It's something that the mainstream school doesn't teach. You have to go to college if you want to be a professional politician. And National Precinct Alliance is trying to get people like you, everyday American citizens, involved in their government so that we can basically take back our government for we the people. There is a process that you have to go through, and if you don't, we're going to go out and collect it back to the Board of Elections, and the Board of Elections, they will ultimately throw out all your hard work that you've done. So at National Precinct Alliance, we've made it simple. We've put everything together for you. Basically, we've put videos together. We've given you all the links that you're going to need, and we've done this for every state in the Union in the United States. And I would definitely encourage people to go to National Precinct Alliance. Look them up on YouTube and check out one of their videos. I'm the state coordinator for New York, and basically I'm just trying to get people to get involved in New York State with the National Precinct Alliance. If you're interested in more, you can find us on Facebook as well. And we're just getting started in New York, so I would definitely encourage anybody that's watching this in New York to get involved. I mean, be the change that you want. If you're sick and tired of filling out petitions, if you're tired of going to protests and you feel your government's not listening to you, well, it's time to kick those guys out and start fresh. Well, anyways, I hope everybody's blessed and have a good day. And look forward to seeing you in National Precinct Alliance. Take care.